right, good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. Today is Friday, March the 5th. Today is an A Day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right. So if any of our families are still being affected by the winter storm from the last week and a half, 2 weeks ago, go ahead and visit us there at those links or tell a trusted adult on campus. We want to support you, but we can only do so if we know what you need. So please reach out to us. All right. Today we have our 11th AP English language, and this wraps up our testing for the week. So good luck, junior class. All right, Montopolis Senior Night, come out and support our seniors as they take the field for one last time, their last home game. Boys will be playing March 9th at 6 p.m. versus Austin Achieve. Girls will be playing March 12th at 6 p.m. versus Georgetown Gateway. All right. Semester exam incentives. So go ahead and pause there if you need to see what semester exam incentives apply to what grade you have. All right. Tell past exams, go ahead and pause there if you need to get more information. Happy birthday to Bryant Jimenez, 6th grade Bryant Jimenez, and 7th grade Yanziel Hernandez. We hope you have a wonderful day, y'all. We hope you have a day filled with love, learning, awesomeness, all sorts of goodness. So happy birthday. All right, be kind to your mind. Again, if you're struggling with anxiety, you're struggling with stress, reach out to Miss Williams on Teams or like the message in your grade level Move This World tab. There is a virtual and in-person, there is a virtual group, and it's open to virtual and in-person students. So again, message Miss Williams or like the message in your grade level Move This tab world. All right. Become a mentor. 11th and 12th graders, go ahead and go to the website, the link right there, if you are interested in being a mentor. Community service hours are included, so go ahead and visit there if interested. Same thing with our 9th and 10th graders. If you feel like you could use some guidance through high school, go ahead and visit our link right there. Community service hours and other incentives are available for signing up. So 9th and 10th graders, take advantage of this. Calculators, juniors and seniors, we've been saying this. Go and bring those calculators back, right? That's my money, that's your money, that is your siblings' money that's probably with us in academy or middle school. So go ahead and bring those back. We'd really appreciate that. Middle school schedule, let's go ahead and pause right there. High school schedule, pause right there as well. 11th to 12th grade schedule there too. Attendance. All right, we know this is important. You got to be here, either in person or online. And again, Texas law is quoted right there. You have to be here 90% of the time. That equates to you not missing more than 18 days of school. So be here. Questions, you can text us there at the number on the screen. You can also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep to keep up with all school-wide updates. All right, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And no one tells you this today. Remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Have a great day, Bulldogs. It's time for Move This World.